Wondering what insulation to use? Well, we've got you covered, because I'll be talking about what insulation I'll be using in the ceiling and the walls on this renovation project. Knauf Insulation are a household name with over 40 years of experience in the insulation industry, and that's the reason why I've warmed to them. So in the ceiling, I'll be using Knauf's insulation ROCKSILK RS60. It's a multi-application insulation, so it can be used on ground floors, internal floors, separating floors, fabrication, pitched roofs at rafter level, internal walls, partitions, light steel frame walls, timber frame walls, and much more. The RS60 is the density of the insulation, which is 60 kilograms per metre cubed. In this insulation, Knauf do a range from RS45, 60, 80, 100 and 140. It's also available in various thicknesses from 25mm to 100mm depending on your application. So these two are the Knauf ROCKSILK RS60 insulation, and we're using the 100mm for the ceiling and the 50mm for the stud wall. The benefit of using this insulation is that it provides thermal and acoustic properties, so perfect for flat roofs where it will dampen the rain noise coming through, but also at the same time provide thermal properties. However, on this wall we'll be using Knauf's acoustic insulation, seeing as though this is a party wall, so using this offers excellent sound absorption properties. All these insulations are non-combustible with the best possible Euroclass A1 reaction to fire classification. So if there was a fire, it's not capable of igniting and burning. These are also made with ECOS technology, which means it contains no added formaldehyde or phenol. The benefit of this is that it generates very low level of dust, increasing the comfort when handling it. Tibby's top tip for when cutting insulation is to use an insulation saw, because it's specifically designed to cut insulation. It has a wavy edge, which means it creates less friction, therefore cuts through the material a lot quicker, with more precision and also less mess. However, using a normal saw creates more mess, which means a lot more dust, which isn't good for you. Now that the insulation is done, the next job is to install the plasterboard. So make sure you come back to see what plasterboard I use on the ceiling and the walls.